Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Yeva, an experienced binary options trader here to share my best strategies for quick profits. Get free 90% accurate signals in our Telegram group or copy my trades using social trading. Watch, subscribe, like, and comment to enter our $300 giveaway. 3 lucky winners will get $100 each. Let's dive in and start earning today.
Want to see how I turn $100 into $700 using foolproof binary option strategy? In this video, I'll show you my go-to indicators and the thought behind every trade. Subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's start. Today, I'm trading company shares and I've already analyzed and selected assets with the most optimal movement patterns and favorable payment interest. Overall, I've decided to use this set of indicators: a weighted moving average, a fractal with a period of free, and an awesome oscillator with default settings. As we trade, you'll understand how to use these indicators correctly and how to identify signals and entry points. Everything will be straightforward and I'll explain everything in detail to minimize any questions you might have. So we are trading on a 1-minute time frame today and we'll start with $100 trade, which is half of my starting balance. Let's pick our first company stock. Here we will open a long trade. This isn't the best entry point. The candle showed an impulsive upward movement at the very start. Still, I believe an upward trend might begin. Despite the current downward trends, I expect a price pullback here. We have a strong support point and a good level of contact. The oscillator shows a volume change from red to green, and the fractal's local minimum was likely updated, indicating a potential reversal. So we are opening against the trend. Let's see what happens. Not bad, the solid start. The first trade closed in profits. It was a straightforward signal, nothing too complex actually. Are you struggling to set up trading indicators or just starting your trading journey but losing money? Join my trading team on Telegram today. I trade live with my subscribers every day, sharing all my trading signals. You can easily replicate them either manually or by connecting to my trading account, making the process seamless for everyone. I'm here to guide you, answer your questions, and provide step-by-step instructions on how to earn $20 to $500 daily. Click the link in the description to join my Telegram channel and message me for details on how to start. Spots are limited, so act quickly. It's completely free to join. In my channel, you can also check out my trading results and the income my traders are making. Remember, I never sell anything without contacting you directly, and I don't reply to YouTube comments. I also never take money from my subscribers. If you see anything different, it's a scam. Stay safe and use only my official contacts listed in the description. Message me now to get started. Besides the indicators, this level of movement played a huge role. The price reacted to this level, bouncing several times before moving up. This slight pullback led to closing the trade in profit. Let's pick the next company stock. Let's open a short position here on Apple stock. We have opened a trade against the trend, which is a good signal when trading in a rolling trend. There is a solid touch point and the local maximum formed earlier, leading to downward movement. The weighted moving average crossed from top to the bottom and the volume oscillator switched from green to red. So we opened a short trade. So let's watch the result. Great, another profitable trade. Here I showed how to use these indicators. The three signals, weighted moving average, fractal, and oscillator, must align. In such cases, trades can be closed with nearly 100% success, while there are other variations. This is the core signal for opening positions. Let's move on to the next stock and open another $100 trade. We will open a long trade here. If the price continues to drop, I'll open a trade with my full balance to capitalize on the increase. I'll explain the entry principle. A slight downward momentum might form, but the fractal's local minimum has updated and there is a slight intersection of the weighted moving average from below. The color change from red to green signals an upcoming upward trend, so let's see how it goes. And here we will open another trade with a full balance. I believe the price will break out upwards while there is more flat dynamics right now and less volatility. I still expect an upward exit. Let's watch what happens next. As I mentioned, volatility is lower, but the price still moved upward, closing the position in profit. Let's open the next trade for the full amount, $545, for better profits of course, and I'm taking a bit of a risk here, so let's pick the next company stock. We will take a little risk here and open a short trade. It's not the exact signal I usually look for, but I'm relying on my oscillator and trend dynamics. We have seen strong upward momentum earlier, which updated the global maximum, followed by a downward movement. The key factor here is actually the volume shift in the downward direction, as confirmed by the oscillator. This is one of the strongest types of signals, so it's worth taking the risk with a short position. Yes, the trade closed in profit. This was a perfect moment for a short position due to the signal. As you can see, I opened the trade almost instantly and it closed positively. When the volume changes, it often signals a trend reversal. I'm happy with the profit, so I don't want to take too much risk now. I'll open a trade with $146 to secure some gains and look for another interesting entry. Even if this trade closes negatively, it won't bother me much. So let's pick the next company stock.
Unlock your trading potential with our premium signals. Join our exclusive Telegram channel and start making smarter trading decisions. With a proven win rate of over 85%, we provide reliable, actionable signals to help you stay ahead of the market. Don't miss out, your path to consistent profit starts here. Subscribe now via the link in the video description and take control of your trading journey. Success is just a signal away.
We'll open a trade against the trend here. In my opinion, it wasn't the best entry point, but it would have been better to enter right at the weighted moving average crossover. But still, I managed to open a trade. It's uncertain whether the price will move up, as the pullback was strong, but the oscillator color has changed and we have the moving average crossover. In most cases, after a crossover, the pullback dynamics may continue. There was another downward movement, and since the trend is downwards, I missed the best entry point, but it's okay. Any profit works for me. As I expected, there was a small pullback after the crossover, but the price is showing upward movement. Let's lock in today's profits and move on. Today's profit total $700. Withdrawal operation was successfully completed, my best part. That's how today's trading session went, using this combination of indicators. So guys, don't forget to join my Telegram group. I use real-time signals there and exclusive tips. Thank you for watching. See you next time.